Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find your security token in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your personal information so you can get your security token. So if we go to setup and then we can start searching for personal information, I won't find them since we want to get them uh, in our account. So simply we will need just to go to your profile from here. So by clicking on your profile picture, you will need just to go to settings. And basically here you can find all your personal information. So here if we go and find all these settings, we can find the reset my security token. So basically here you can see that you cannot see your security token since this is for some security reasons. So basically you will need to reset your security token and you will receive a new one in the mail that is associated with this account. So simply all we need to do now is to click on reset security token and we will have our token that will be reset and then we will receive it in the email. For example, if you are using Gmail for this account or for your session, you would need just to go to your Gmail and then you will need just to click on reset security token and you will receive a new one. So now let's click on reset security token and as you can see, we sent a new security token to the email address for your account. So by doing that, you will be able to find and start using your security token to connect to other APIs, etc. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.